The strategy game is HFX's customizable cloud-based business simulation game. The game places participants at the helm of a fictional manufacturing company where they must navigate the challenge of decision-making in a dynamic commercial environment over 8 to 12 rounds with the aim of beating their competitors. The game comes with a complete curriculum of supporting digital courseware delivered through the HFX delivery platform. This courseware includes a game scenario manual, instructional videos, and supporting Excel worksheets and planning templates. The game itself, where participants manage their fictional company, is easy to use. All company reports are on one page, and decision submissions are entered and processed via the cloud. For instructors, the game makes it easy to monitor participants with clear tracking graphs, and game setup is simple with our administrators page, allowing you to effortlessly set up, edit, and manage the game. And with our tiered support solutions, we make implementation easy, whether through instructor training for simulation old hands or through our white glove premium service for instructors new to simulations. We have the right package for you. We can even run courses ourselves, either online or in workshops. To find out more about how we can help you, contact us at info@hfxtraining.com today.